Hi everyone, we have been talking about option for quite some time now, but that's not all that Levi has to offer. So let me now introduce you to the Dune dashboard that Levi created for Solana, Pepe, Dune, Slurf, ENA, and many more, as you can see over here on the screens. But please note that some of them are for the pro, which is basically you have to pay to get immediate access, and you can pretty much see like immediately of what's happening like right now as of today. But as for the free versions, there's going to be like a 48 to 72 hours delay. But today we'll be basically focusing on Solana. So all this dashboard can be used to help you to assess when to basically spot buy a coin or token of your interest. It's going to greatly enhance your profitability. Levi is going to explain that why you can do that later. You might also be wondering what's in the dashboards and how do you use it. So let's get on to some Q&As and we can ask Levi to briefly explain. So Levi, can you give us a brief summary of what indicators are in the Dune dashboard?
Of course, the Doom dashboard I created includes token price, market value to realized value, MVRV, which includes risk level, break-even point, and Z-score, and unspent realized price distribution in bar graph and table format. I included it based on my 20 years of investing experience, and these are the most helpful ones.
That sounds great. So can you let us know what is a MVRV and how do you use it? And can you give a brief explanation?
Of course, MVRV ratio is defined as token market capitalization divided by realized capitalization. By comparing two valuation methods, MVRV ratio can tell whether it's a fair price or not. This is useful for market tops and bottoms. When this value is too high, the token price may be overvalued, suggesting selling pressure is possible in the future. When this value is too low, the token price may be undervalued, hence possible buying pressure in the future. Break-even point, the green line, that means most traders or holders holding the coin are at break-even. The MVRV score, which is the purple line, equals to market value divided realized value. The market value is the current price of Solana multiplied by the number of Solana coins in circulation. This is like market cap in traditional markets. For example, share price multiplied by number of shares. A realized value, rather than taking the current price of Solana, realized value takes the price of each Solana when it was last moved. For example, the last time it was sent from one wallet to another wallet. It then adds up all those individual prices and takes an average of them. It then multiplies the average price by the total number of coins in circulation. In doing so, it strips out the short-term market sentiment that we have within the market value matrix. It can therefore be seen as a more true long-term measure of Solana value, which market value move above and below depending on the market sentiment at the time. If the value is high, that means the Solana is overvalued compared to realized value. Hence, it's unlikely for the price to soar or go up. However, if the value is low, it means undervalued. According to the past experience, when the Z-score is high, the possibility of coin price going down increases. Therefore, careful to not FOMO into it. When Z-score is below 1, the green line, which is also the break-even point, that means all holders are currently at a loss. Hence, if you buy right now, you'll be better off both in cost and mind compared to others who are in loss. But also be careful to not go all in at once, because anything can happen in crypto. For example, Solana went from 100 to 8. Trade according to your risk level. When Z-score is above 3, you have entered into risky level. This means that all holders have at least 3 times their portfolio. If you hold a token, probably start to think about your exit strategy and secure your profit. Please note, you need to combine this indicator with other news, fundamental and macro conditions to plan your investing strategy. We have a Telegram group where I will be posting on threat analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum on daily basis. Feel free to join.
That sounds great. So what is the URPD then? Because I noticed there's also like this bar graph and there's like a table format. If you can explain, that would be great. And why is it so important?
Okay. The unspent realized price distribution, the URPD, shows the distribution of the average acquisition price of coins that have not been spent or moved since they were acquired. It provides insight into the profitability of the remaining unspent coins based on the prices at which they were acquired. This indicator shows you how the price moved and accumulates at what range. Each bar represents the amount of accumulation. The peaks in the chart indicates consensus by the buyers. This consensus forms support and resistance. When the consensus between buyers and strong in the area, it also makes the support and resistance more effective. It requires strong and powerful news, emotions, and trading volume together to move price across the peaks. Otherwise, it will be moved back and forth for the peaks until new peaks is formed. As you can see in the graph here, on May 3, there are several peaks piled between 56 to 72, 92 to 112, 128 to 152, and 172 to 190. When you move to May 17, the previous mentioned peaks didn't move, which means there are strong consensus in those areas. And judging by the fact that fundamentally everyone still thinks we are in the middle of the bull run, and there are still a lot of growth of Solana, they will not sell when it's only close to break-even area. However, you also observe new peaks formed in 142 to 146. There are some possible scenarios. The first one is the way you see it is when there are large consensus on the right end of the graphic, it's going to take a lot of money and effort to overpass those resistance. Hence, until those peaks are smoothed out, highly unlikely that price will go up. Feel free to join our Telegram group if you have any questions. Each token case is unique, but this is generally what is going to happen. Or the second scenario, VCs or market makers may not want to stay in 142 to 146 for too long while people are piling up tokens at a cheaper cost. So they try to move away upwards. Each case is unique and you have to combine with fundamental and other indicators together to review. But at the end of the day, you need to make decisions and improve yourself gradually.
That sounds great. And I believe everyone, all the viewers who are listening to this video would found all the information that Levi has provided are super helpful. So Levi, I have one last question, which I believe all the listeners or viewers of this video will be super interested. So when do you recommend for the people to buy Solana?
In conclusion, you'd better buy when Z-score is below 1.
All right, that sounds great. And please also a friendly reminder that because each tokens are unique and we are in the midst of a bull run, so Levi would be checking the macros and all the other indicators on a daily basis, and he will be sharing his insights with us on our Telegram group. If you are interested, please feel free to join it. And also a reminder for this video, a lot of the it's only such a short 10 or 20 minutes video, so we cannot explain everything. Feel free to join our Telegram group, and if you felt like, oh, you know what, Levi, I don't want to miss such a bull run. I felt it's going to be highly likely for Solana MVRV to fall back, to fall below 1. So what should I do? You can definitely join the Telegram and ask Levi to see if when should at what MVRV should you buy it, and or maybe you should look onto other Dune dashboard that Levi created. Solana is not the only option. So that basically concludes our video. And thank you for listening in. Thank you for watching. And please also definitely follow Levi on his Twitter and also join the Telegram group. Also definitely subscribe onto this the YouTube channel. We will see you on our next one. Bye.